everyone. So here we are in Kolhapur today at the seminar of UCAM on effective productive processes by using the UCAM Rotary Tables in conversation with Mr. Heramb from Hindustan Castings. So we are really keen to hear about your experience with UCAM. When did you purchase your first UCAM Rotary Table?
Yeah, sure. We purchased our first UCAM 4th axis in 2017, and since then we have been using that regularly. And recently we bought the next latest version back in 2023. Just we booked it in the index itself.
Okay.
So many of our components which we got were because we had a 4th axis rotary table with us. Many of which we do on those. Even in fact, we have a case where we use it as a semi-fifth axis, you can say, using a fixture. There was a component which was supposed to be done on a 5th axis, but we used the 4th axis along with the fixture, and that we successfully did it. It was a case study sort of thing for us as well and our customer as well. So they were pretty impressed with the performance of the UCAM machine as well as our team's efforts put into it. So it has pretty much given us a boost in our productivity, or you can say something to boast in front of our customers that we do critical components using such kind of creative use of the UCAM or machines or so on.
Right. And like you recently said, 4th axis is there now. 5th axis is now a trending thing, which we can say when it comes to the UCAM product line.
Yes.
So what do you think that? What do you expect more from UCAM when it comes to the innovations and providing more and more customized solutions, understanding the customer needs?
Yeah, miss. Now going ahead, they have set a benchmark which is difficult to beat. But even then, what we expect is higher productivity, means through like they have shown in today's seminar, where the speeds which they are giving, with the torque which they are providing, that should increase. The compact designs, means the size of the machines, or the 4th axis, 5th axis, which we are putting on the table. If they become compact, we get more space to work upon. Also, the cutting forces that we need to use on the components, they need to be very much higher, because the customer is expecting us to deliver very high quantities in very short amount of time. So the component should be machined at very faster and very accurately. So whatever they are doing, you should twice it. The customer is much more happier. So whatever their designs they are coming up with, we should beat our customer expectations.
Absolutely.
Of course, we will be giving the inputs, but our customer wants everything to be done at twice the speed. They're comparing us with benchmark markets like China and other markets where manufacturing is much
More beyond.
at a higher speed than us currently.
Right. But still, UCAM being a proud Make in India
Yeah.
company, providing a substitute to the global market, how do you feel using the products of UCAM? Like, what is that feeling you have about the UCAM's product?
Yeah, it's very great that we have such kind of a company which gives us import substitute, and it is good that they have their own manufacturing in-house. And going ahead, we would like much more to boost about our Make in India products, which are having a global benchmark set. So pretty much good that they are having their own presence, and it feels good to work with a company that has its roots based in India.
Right. Thank you so much for sharing your wonderful feedback with
Sure.
us. Thanks a lot.